What's up, guys? This is a 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory. It's got 105 horsepower, 50 foot-pounds of torque, 659cc parallel twin, weighs 399 pounds. It's got cruise control. It's got adjustable Olin suspension. Just beautiful. Super high-end stuff here. Brembo brakes. So yeah, we're gonna give this beast a ride, and I'll let you know my first impressions. Guys, here we go. Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory Edition 2026. Nice TFT display here. Ride mode's pretty cool. You can put it in race mode and it changes the way the tachometer is and everything like that. You can really customize all the settings on this thing. Super cool. Real easy to see. The reach here is really comfortable. You know, if you're going to be doing a lot of twisty roads, you know, putting a lot of hours in on the road, this thing's going to be far more comfortable, you know, than some of the more aggressive stances here, ergos. So here we go. Get it started up. Get it in gear. So we are in dynamic mode, which is going to be a little more responsive. So I'm 6 foot tall, 32-inch inseam. I'm flat-footed right now. It's really comfortable. Ooh, that motor sounds so good. That's definitely what I'm noticing immediately is just how good this motor sounds and just feels. Very snappy and quick, as you would expect from a style motorcycle like this. Oh yeah, you can tell it just wants to rev. It just wants to go. All right, now second gear. Ooh, just sounds so good. A little bit of vibration through the pegs here. Not too bad though. Real comfortable naked position here. You got a fairly wide bar, a little bit more upright. Feels really nice. Has such a nice sound to it, nice pull, very light feeling handling. Let's get on the brakes hard here. Real good brakes. Oh, it sounds so good. This would be a tough one to not want to, you know, get on it. Just to hear the sound alone. Sounds fantastic. So go left here. Real nice braking. I got one finger on the front brake here. Feels great. I'm going to adjust the camera down just a little bit. just so you can hopefully see the dash a little bit better. Alright, here we go. It's like a cable clutch. Great feel. Oh yeah, this thing is a blast. Wow. So snappy, and you know, it doesn't have a lack of power down low. I owned a 99 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja, and that was a carbureted bike, but man, down low it had almost no power. And obviously that's a way older motorcycle compared to this 2026 with fuel injection. But yeah, the throttle response is spectacular. It's really, really good. Everything that I've watched on these things, people just rave about this motorcycle. In and out. Oh yeah, this thing's so fun. And that suspension too, so good. Instead of you know, hitting those sharp edges and kind of feeling it through the handlebars, you can tell it definitely like soaks that up much nicer than, you know, just a cheaper suspension would. And that's one of the best upgrades you can do to any motorcycle is suspension. So the price that you can get one of these for and get that Olin suspension stock on there, man, that's really sweet. What a fantastic motor. Oh, the thing is so good. It's so good. It's so fun. For how light this feels, I test rode a Yamaha R9, and you know, it's a little more uncomfortable. You know, it did have a great motor as well, but I prefer this motor already. Just the way it builds power and the way it pulls and how playful it feels. I mean, it feels just so light, just incredible. And then you got that Olin suspension. Man, how do you go wrong with this bike? How do you go wrong with this bike? Oh, if you want just a around the town, I mean, whatever you're gonna do with this bike, I just don't think you can go wrong. I really don't. This thing's fantastic already. It's so playful and fun and quick. All right, here we go. I'm just absolutely loving being on this bike right now. What a just cherry motor. So good. It feels so light too. It just wants to handle. It's like, what are we doing? Are we cutting inside? Because that's what it wants to do. So this does have cruise control, which is an amazing feature. If you've never had cruise control and you feel like maybe it's overhyped or why would you need that, I'm telling you, when you do longer rides, I'm doing 3, 4, 5 hours sometimes, it's a game changer to just be able to take your hand off the throttle, give it a little rest. You know, just makes all the difference. Oh, it's just spectacular. It's so good. You know, there's that saying, it's more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow, and this bike is, it's not even slow. You know, it's not like it's a 250 or something, it's a 660, but it has plenty of power. And it's so light and flickable and snappy. I mean, I don't know if you could have more fun on any other motorcycle. It's that good. Like, I wouldn't want to be on a 1000 right now. Like, I just don't totally get the point. I guess I get the point, but I just feel like for most people, this is plenty of power. The shifting's excellent. Feels very refined there. Like, it just smoothly goes into gear. You know where you're at. It doesn't feel, you know, like a little notchy or anything like that. It feels excellent. So we'll get on the freeway here, start heading back. Yeah, brakes are excellent. There's nothing about this motorcycle that feels cheap or that I would even change. Honestly, it's so good. And then with the ability to, you know, you want to ride track days and stuff. I mean, it's got lap times. There's so much you can do with the TFT display here. It just has so much configuration. Here we go. So second. All right, we're gonna get it on here. So good, guys. So good. You know, it's a great riding position here too. It's just so comfortable for what it is and what you get, and you know how well this thing's gonna handle. You know, an aggressive, you know, super sport style of you know, ergos is nice if you're really going to be doing some aggressive, you know, racetrack riding and stuff like that, and you know, maybe that's your thing, and that's what you're going to want to get. But for most riders, for most people that just ride on the street and they want something quick and fast and something that handles like this, like, I don't know why you'd want to, why you would you know, go that other route. You know, this thing just is so much more comfortable just all day, and it's not like it doesn't still feel aggressive, because it definitely feels aggressive, but it's just not so taxing on your wrist and your back. What a motorcycle. This thing's amazing. Alright, so let's see, going into neutral here. Easy to get into neutral. I read something where a guy was like kind of having issues. I think it was Yami Noob. He was like, oh, it's a little finicky getting into neutral, but I think it's just kind of learning the bike, and no issues here. Super easy. I mean, this thing's very balanced. It just feels tiny. It feels very light. You know, almost like you have almost nothing underneath you, but just a rocket ship. It's so cool. What a motorcycle. And I think for bang for your buck, tough to beat. Real tough to beat. So if you guys are curious about this model, the guys at Leo South are great to work with. They got a bunch of different motorcycles there. Moto Guzzi. They got Kawasaki, CF Moto, Aprilia, and a whole bunch of used bikes too. They've got quite the selection, a lot more than most dealers have. So I'm going to be doing some more reviews for those guys, and on a big dump truck here. Going slow, what this bike doesn't like doing. No, it's fine. It's definitely balanced and easy going slow, but here we go. We'll get around him. But yeah, they got tons of used bikes here. I'm going to be doing some reviews on some of the used bikes they have. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe to Leo South YouTube channel. Subscribe to my Mindful Moto channel. I'm going to get off the bike here, do a little walk around. This thing's a blast. What a machine. I mean, I don't want to get off of it. So fun. So fun. Just like, oh, it's almost perfection. It's that good. So here you go, guys. Check it out. Appreciate you guys watching. See you guys on the next one.